Hey, hope everybody had an awesome week. Ryan Lee with Planet Cheapskate popping on here to give you your weekly rate update going into the weekend so you know exactly what to expect when it comes to the rates. And like the thumbnail says, are we going to get a little bit of rate tranquility? Are we going to? Um, Looking at the rates last week, I think we're going to be pretty happy with what we see this week, but we'll get to that later. Before I begin, just want to say good luck to my realtor partners out there. If you need any help with any listings, doing any marketing, reach out to me. I'm your guy. I can help you out with that. Have the Wichita group. I think it's up to about 1,600 now, so we can put your information out there and hopefully we can get you a buyer if you have a listing. Hey, good luck if you have any open houses. If you're going out to see any, take people any showings or anything, I can help you out with those pre-approvals. About 10 minutes, I can get those pre-approvals out for you. Any questions? I've been saving a lot of deals. The last 2 years, there's been a plethora of loan officers coming into our industry just because it's been so good. And so there's people out there uh, that aren't the most knowledgeable. And when you have a loan officer partner, I was going to say realtor, when you have a realtor partner, and I look for it in a realtor partner too. But when you have a loan officer partner, you want someone who is experienced, who can get things done. Every loan is like a puzzle, and I love puzzles. And so that's how I approach every loan is I treat it like a puzzle that I need to figure out. And that's how I approach loans. That's how I'm able to get loans done that other lenders are just not able to get done. People send me their stuff, and I get it. I get it closed for them in record time. So um, before I get to the rates, I just wanted to explain to you these are not rates that you can go out to a bank, go out to a credit union, go out to another lender and get. These are rates that I get by making 50 of the most competitively priced lenders compete all over the United States. And I do this every Friday. And then what I do is I just show you what the lowest one I'm able to get is. So out there, whether you're in California, whether you're out in New York, whether you're anywhere in between, you know pretty much what to expect whenever you're putting your offer in. So if you see something that looks kind of wonky, and come back to this video and be like, "Hey, what's going on with this? Can you explain, why my rate's not here?" Because on my rates, I do a 30-day lock. So when you lock your loan, you can lock for 15 days, you can lock for 10 days, 15 days, 30 days, 45 days. Sometimes you can do 60-day locks. 30-day is the average. Okay. That's what most people judge when they're telling you the rates, they're telling you on a 30-day lock. And that's what I do. I do a 30-day lock. And what I do is I do a 30-year. Okay. So 30-year, I'm not doing anything weird like a 15, a 10, because if you do that, then you're going to get a lower rate. And then I never charge any points. Okay. That's my thing is I'm not going to charge you points. These are the rates that I can get without charging you points. That's what I do. I always disclose the APR just to stay in compliance, and then the length of time, which is a 30-year fixed. Okay, it's not not going to change in the middle of your thing. It's not a adjustable rate, variable rate. It is a fixed mortgage, and these are my rates. Okay, so just want to explain that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right to these rates. They're looking pretty good. Conventional is at 6.875 with an APR of 7.167. FHA is at 6.125 with an APR of 7.136. VA is at 6.125 with an APR of 6.340. And USDA is at 6.125 with an APR of 6.572. So those are the rates looking pretty good. We're getting a little bit of tranquility in the market. Thank God. I'm thinking, you know, some of you guys may not know who Barry Habib is, but he's an awesome guy. He's very knowledgeable. I went to one of his. He was doing a sales meeting for my company, and he explained really good about the markets. And it's looking like we're probably going to have a little bit of rate relief, tranquility in March. We might have a little bit of a spike in April, and then they're gonna kind of come back down. So in May, come back down. If you're pre-approved and you're looking now, you really need to try to get into something and get your rate locked before April. I'm thinking second week of April, we're going to see a little bit of a spike in the rates. Okay, just based on the data that Barry was showing us. And so that's my advice for you. If you're pre-approved out there and you just can't wait till May, you really, really need to get aggressive with your offers here in March, because the ones you do in March are going to close in April, but you're not going to be locked in April. If you lock in April, it's not going to be, it's going to be better to lock in March than it is in April. So if you're out there, try to get aggressive with your offers, get into that house that you want before April. Otherwise, it may be better just to wait till March or till May. Okay. So hopefully that helps you guys. Hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. Trying to think of anything else, any other announcements I need to make. Nope, that's it. So, hey, have a happy, safe weekend. I will see you guys on the other side. Take care.